When we say how big is fintech in Australia, I think there are three ways of looking at that question. The number of fintech startups in this country, and I think we can assume that's about 350 to 400, various different stages of development. We can look at their turnover, which is both in terms of transaction fees, revenue, or loans that have been issued, and I think anecdotally that's about $80 to $100 million. And I think the final way of looking or answering the question, how big is fintech, is to look at how big revenue the fintech startups can disrupt from traditional financial services organisations like banks. And a Macquarie Bank research report last year put that figure over the next 2 years at $10 billion. I think one of the ways we can answer that question is to look at how the web has disrupted other sectors. So, for example, if you look at the media industry and the way that platforms like Google and Facebook took about 7 to 10 years to disrupt the media industry in a really significant way. Even though fintech is about financial services and financial services are heavily regulated and the media wasn't, I still think that fintech can disrupt financial services in about the same time period. Well, FinTech Sydney came about because I think there's a need for all the various people in the fintech sector, whether it's the traditional financial services organisations, the banks, the lawyers, as well as the startup companies, to come together. And I'm delighted that we have organisations like Gadens that can support providing a venue for an organisation like FinTech Sydney to meet, debate the issues, debate the trends, and really understand where fintech is going in this country.